Hey everyone, it's Esmeralda here. Today we're going on a unique audio journey to discover the magic of a voice that has captivated thousands. Yes, I'm talking about the intricate and enchanting world of voice acting and the power of vocal dynamics. Imagine this. Every time you listen to a voice, whether in a movie, a podcast, or a commercial, there's a unique fingerprint etched into each sound. That's the magic of what a voice can do. It can make you laugh, cry, or even change your perspective. And today, I'll show you just how powerful and versatile a voice can be. Let's start with tone. The tone of a voice can convey emotions that words alone cannot. When I say, "I'm so happy to see you," in a cheerful, upbeat tone, you feel welcomed and warm. But if I shift the tone to a more somber one, even the same words can evoke a sense of solemnity or sadness. Next, let's talk about pitch. High pitches can energize and grab attention, while lower pitches might soothe you or convey seriousness. Listen to this. "Welcome to our show" versus "welcome to our show." Did you feel the difference? But it's not just about tone and pitch, it's also about the pace. A fast pace can convey excitement or urgency, while a slower pace might be used to draw you into a story, creating suspense or allowing you to savor each word. Now, why is this important? Because understanding these elements helps us communicate more effectively. It helps voice actors like me to connect with you, the audience, on a deeper level. Whether it's bringing characters to life in an animation or engaging listeners in an audiobook, the magic lies in the modulation of the voice. So the next time you listen to someone speaking, try to notice these subtle yet powerful elements. You'll start to appreciate the art and the skill that goes into effective voice communication. Thank you for joining me on this vocal adventure. Keep listening, keep exploring, and let the magic of voices enrich your world. Welcome back. Now that we've delved into the power of vocal dynamics, let's shift our focus to maintaining a serene ambiance through the moderation of your tone. Here are 5 practical tips to help you achieve that. First, be aware of your natural tone. Record yourself speaking in different situations and listen back. This will help you identify any harsh or jarring tones that might disrupt a serene atmosphere. Visual. A person recording themselves on their phone, then listening with headphones. Second, practice deep breathing. Controlled breathing helps to calm your nerves and naturally modulates your tone to be more soothing. Visual. A person practicing deep breathing exercises, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Third, slow down your speech. A slower pace not only helps you articulate better, but also conveys calmness and thoughtfulness. Visual. A person speaking slowly and deliberately with a serene background. Fourth, keep your volume in check. Speaking softly can create an intimate and peaceful atmosphere, making your listeners feel more at ease. Visual. A person speaking softly with a gentle smile and a calm background. Finally, practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment helps you stay conscious of your tone and the energy you're projecting. Visual. A person meditating or practicing mindfulness with a tranquil setting like a park or a quiet room. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can create a more serene and inviting ambiance with your voice. Remember, the way you say something can be just as important as what you say. Keep practicing and let your voice be a source of calm and comfort.